you're watching, this is the last week of Bangalore, and we are going to the Cubbon Park. I'm sure you have seen my work from home office things, and I've got 3 work from home this week, so I'm lucky. But that's not it. Today is the weekend, so we are going to the Cubbon Park, and you guys gonna watch how it feels. It's, the Bangalore weather is like very cozy, and you can actually feel very cold here because we are literally going to wear sweatshirt and all to go. We were planning to wear something else, but now we are wearing something else because it's really cold outside and we just want to be more comfortable around. So we are getting ready. We're going to the park and you will get the updates. See ya. I'm all dressed. I'm literally wearing sweater here. Like literally, when I told my friends that I'm wearing sweater here, they're like, dude. I know. Actually, I'm gonna remember this cute little moment in my life. It's really cute and I love it. I can literally look at this place for straight 1 hour because it's a healer. Nature is a healer. So pretty, can't help it, dude. It's so nice. भाई इतना सुंदर कैसे हो गए हम लोग यहाँ आके? Guys, I'm actually afraid of dogs, but in this park dogs are allowed, so can't help it. Trees, yeah, so pretty. Look at the city up in there, and the doggo. You know that this day is it's one of the best days in Bangalore because honestly, this dense forest, I will call it a forest because it's actually very dense. It's not a park. It's actually a park, but I will call it dense because just look at it, guys. उसमें छोटू को such a beautiful day it was. is probably the last week in Bangalore. My overall experience is really nice, ups and downs and everything. But it was fun and all. I'm wearing sweater because it's a cold outside, and I don't know. I have a lot to say, but I am not getting the exact words to explain what I'm feeling right now. I genuinely, I feel so lucky that because see, I wanted it, I get it done. But what next? Is the main question, right? This is a thing, yaar. Whenever you get what you want, you might feel happy for a while, and just like me. But what next is the main question. So today I was just sitting and figuring out what next. So let's see what next, and I hope better things will come in my life and I'll do better things. Of course, I'm looking for more growth and be more productive and doing a lot of stuff at a while, but uh, this is the last year of my college, so doing all of things that are in my head while completing my last year is going to be very hectic for me, because today is 30th June, I guess, which is exact half year completed, and next 6 months, I don't know, I have to be more like more and more and more. uh, Pimple guys. Yeah. I don't know what I am so grateful for the things that I get in my life, and touch wood for everything. And but the thing is, being a human, you can never satisfy yourself. If you get this thing done, you want more. So right now, let's see what's next. Very good morning, all of you. Welcome to my channel. This is very sit down and talk video of mine, because I'm gonna talk about everything today. First of all, I hope you all are doing good in life and everything in your life is going well, subtle and happy. Also, I'm here to talk about my overall experience of this internship. So basically, I started this internship at the end of May, not the end, middle of May, cut to the starting of July, which is probably my college. I am a student of Christ University, as you all know, and this is the last year. This is the final year of my degree. I'm going to graduate in 2025. So this is the mandatory internship. So anyways, we have to do it anywhere in Bangalore, in Gurgaon, in Delhi, wherever. But as you guys know, I'm doing internship in here only, Bangalore. So I thought to share my overall experience. So I'll start with the city, then work culture, then my company, and then other exploring life in Bangalore. So first is, Bangalore is really like very beautiful place to live with, because there's so much greenery all around. So I am from a typical north side from background, and of course, like, you cannot see this much greenery in north side. South is really beautiful, like it is full of greens and pure air, and everything is just so beautiful. I think nature makes any city more beautiful than any other big buildings or anything. So for me particularly, I think Bangalore is one of the prettiest, sorry guys, one of the prettiest city I've ever been, and I wish I'll come again here, because today is the last day. I'm going back home tomorrow. Not home, my college where I'm living in. So yeah, next what? Yeah, my internship experience was really nice. I would not say like it's exactly what I expected. Obviously, it's not going to be like that. I'm not going to get what we expect, what I expect in our life. It's maybe because we are going to get something more better. For the one-time experience, or this is my very first official corporate thing happened. So for me, it's really good. It's really like come out of your comfort zone. It's really like have to do things even when you do not want to. You have to. It's like that only. So for starting days, I feel literally like okay, fine, doing good. But the last few days, I was like, dude, I just want this to be end because it's so like disciplined job. Corporate is very disciplined, and you just need to be more on the time, on the point, on that day. Like everything should be like perfect, like on spot, and I'm not like that. But I did it, and it was good. My company was good, undoubtedly. It was nice. My experience is also nice, but I want more. That is not going to end ever. I think when you get what you want, you always like I want more. That's human nature. So it doesn't matter. Like you, of course, you're going to get more in life, but thinking this way is normal. Everyone think that way. Okay, cut to next internship done, Bangalore city done. Yeah, so I explored many places in Bangalore. So if you guys watched all the week vlogs of mine, you must have seen how many places I've been through, and my overall experience was nice, and I really enjoyed it. I think it is more like workation, like work plus vacation, because I actually worked and had a beautiful vacation as well because it's so nice. That was it with on this journey, and I really want you all to be with me and enjoy the whole process. I don't know how long this journey gonna be, but I hope you really enjoyed this channel and everything. And just comment down if you guys want any changes in anything, or of course I'm gonna do more and more things in this channel, but for now I just want your opinions that I should add or I should subtract in my overall videos. So this is it. The Bangalore internship week is going to end here, and please do subscribe to my channel, because I'm sure that I'm not gonna end here because I have so many creative ideas to make videos on. So just subscribe to my channel to get updated what are the new videos that are coming in this channel. Till then, bye bye, love you, take care, bye. Hello everybody, so it's my time to go. I'm all set, just booking my cab, not cab, like just booking my auto to go to bus station and catch the bus and then catch the flight and then guys, I have absolute zero interest in going back, but I have to. So anyway,
Bangalore workation, where I actually worked as well as my vacation also. It was like exactly what it should be like, and the overall experience of Bangalore is amazing. Bangalore is one of the prettiest city I've ever been. I actually been in 3-4 cities yet, so but yeah, it is the one of the beautiful city till now. Uh, so the series of Bangalore diaries is going to end today, but I'm sure that new series will come as soon as possible because my college days are starting very soon, so I have to manage my college as well as my YouTube also. So I'm sure I am planning to start one of the new series so that we could be more valuable on YouTube. Till then, I hope you enjoyed my Bangalore diaries. Till then, bye bye. Love you.